What is this English language assistant program all about, and how does it work?
It starts from November when the
Okay.
application's done, and then you get your result by end of April. Everything is on the portal,
Mm-hmm.
and there the status will be changed if you are selected. Then there is a website called ADEL, 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 because it's a program run by IFI and Ministère de l'Éducation et la Jeunesse français. Just not English language assistants. They have assistants from different languages. Spanish is there, German is there,
Okay.
and Portuguese is there. People come from different nations, and it also gives you an opportunity to meet people from different nations when you are in this program.
Abhishek, we will be moving ahead and we will be going forward with the third and the last major theme of our discussion, that is
Yeah.
working as an English language assistant in France. Because you are working as an English language assistant in France, and I'm sure the people who are maybe aiming for it, who are aspiring to be an English assistant in France, and maybe join this program,
Yeah,
they can get a lot of insights out of our conversation. So the
definitely.
first question that I have for you is, what is this English language assistant program all about, and how does it work?
All right, parts. This program is English language assistant program. It's a 7 months program
Mm-hmm.
where the candidate gets the chance to work as an assistant to the teacher to teach English in the primary and secondary schools in France. And it's kind of a part-time job because in this program you have to work 12 hours a week, and it gives you a lot of leisure time to explore the country, to explore the culture, nation, everything. So it's the best opportunity, I would say, if somebody who is learning French and is aiming or planning to explore the country, one can easily come to France as an English language assistant with this program. The requirements are mm, that you should have DELF B1, and because you will be you will be teaching English, they requires IELTS also with the
Right.
minimum score of 7.5 bands.
I got it. Anything apart from that is required? Is there any age limit also?
There is age limit, which is, I think, if I'm not wrong, it is from 18 to 35. But the one more requirement is that you should be enrolled in some course. You should be
Course as in?
also all you either you should be in your any diploma course or graduation, masters, anything like that, or you are, yeah. Even nowadays, people, what they do, even if they are not enrolled in any course, they get them enrolled in any Alliance Francaise course, and after that they can apply because it
Right.
requires the status of a student. These are the requirements. Apart from that, nothing else is required. And
And
you should have the graduation, or you should be in the final year of graduation.
I got it. Now, as you already mentioned about the eligibility criteria, is there any selection process also for this program?
There is a process. It is a process. It's a long process of. It starts from November when the
Okay.
application's done, and then you get your result by end of April. Everything is on the portal,
Mm-hmm.
and there the status will be changed if you are selected. Most of, I think, if you have bad score, generally the applicants are getting selected, most of them. I have not heard of anyone who has not got selection in the program, to be very, but I think everybody gets it
So what is a
because
portal and
people
where
are
a
not aware
person
of
can?
it.
Yeah, a lot
The
of
thing
people are
is,
not aware
people are
about
not
it.
aware of it.
Right. What is the website name where the person can apply?
Yeah, they can just type the keyword English language assistant in France. They can get. Then there is a website called ADEL, 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 because it's a program run by IFI and Ministère de l'Éducation et la Jeunesse français. It's a government-run program, and it's a very old program. I think it's more than 100 years. Yeah, and it's just not English language assistants. They have assistants from different languages. Spanish is there, German is there,
Okay.
and Portuguese is there. People come from different nations, and it also gives you an opportunity to meet people from different nations when you are in this program.
Very true.
There are orientation program in the beginning of October when we just come to France. when all the assistants of the city, of the department, they come, and then there is trainer, who's the trainer. It's a good get together.
When can you just take everybody from the very starting, from where a
Hmm.
person can apply? You already mentioned the website Adel, and
Yeah, other.
the people can actually fill up their form, I think. After that, what is the second step? And from when the person can start applying for this
Mhm.
program? And what happens if a person, let's say, is in maybe in B1 level, or maybe and did not clear his DELF exam? Maybe if a person
Mhm.
is enrolled in B1 exam, but the person
Mhm.
has not cleared the DELF exam, a person can that person apply? And
So
about
the
information about
requirement
it.
is that B1, you should have B1 part. So you should
Okay.
have the degree of diploma of DELF B1. You should,
Okay.
and you should be passed that exam.
It's a
That is the
minimum requirement.
eligibility. Yeah, it is eligibility, right?
I got it.
You should have eligibility is that you should be in the final year of your graduation, or you should have the graduation.
Hmm.
You should have IELTS with minimum score of 7.5 bands, and it should be
Right.
IELTS academic. Okay,
Hmm.
then yeah, then you should have DELF B1. Yeah, that's it. If we start from where when the candidate should start preparing, because the applications come every year in the month of November, mid-November, I think, yeah, or I think the from the 2 December, somewhere
Hmm.
there. You should plan accordingly that by September, if you don't have DELF yet, by July, I would say
Hmm.
you should give your exam of DELF. Then if you don't have IELTS, then you should also start preparing for IELTS, and then you should give the exam by September, because it takes a month. It takes 15 days to give the result. You have time, right?
Right.
Because you have to have everything with you,
Hmm.
which is your DELF B1 and IELTS.
Correct.
One has to start preparing from, I would say, from March, April. Then you can prepare for DELF, and then you can give IELTS.
I got it. That the applications are open from mid-November. And once, let's say this in the November 2025, I apply.
Mhm.
Then
Yeah.
when I can come to know about the
Mm.
selection process, and when the program will start for me.
Understood. Once you submit your application on the platform,
Hmm.
you will get the status of recio, application recio. That the
Right.
application is received. Then after some days, you will get the status. Status will be changed that recio par FEI, France Education International. They are the one who are controlling everything. By then, there will be no changes till April end. In
Okay.
April end, the status will be changed to selezione, that you are selected. After
Mhm.
that, they will allot you the academy in 1 month. By July, by June maybe, you will get everything. You will get your school, you will get your academy, but you will not get your upper letter. They take time actually. It takes time. Because after that, after July, they have vacations, long vacations. From July starting, they have vacations till first week of September. Summer vacations they have somewhere around 2 months, 2 months, 1 week.
Hmm.
So they don't do anything in the vacations,
Right.
which is a very French thing. They don't work on vacations. They will not ever. You can expect to get your offer letter by the end of August.
Okay.
You will get the offer letter. After offer letter, you can apply for visa. For visa,
Okay.
they gives you gratuity, because we as English language assistant, we don't have to pay for the visa fees. It will be reimbursed by the FEI. They give everything. It takes time. The process, it takes November till September. After September, once you get the offer letter, you will just apply for the visa and you will take the flight and come.
All right. Flight tickets are to be taken care by us.
They
Right.
do not bear flight tickets. They just give you the salary, which is 850, 840 somewhere, 840 euros. Because you will be working for 12 hours a week. So they give you good salary if we compare about with the hours that we are working.
This
Because 12
for
hours a week is nothing for us, for
hmm.
Indians. We are trained in that way
Right.
that we
We
are
work for
we are
12 hours in
automated.
a day.
We work for 12 hours a day. This 12
Yes.
hours a week is nothing. But this is the interesting thing about this program. Apart from just getting the experience of being a teacher in France,
Hmm.
which is, of course, a good experience, you also get the chance to explore the country, which is your main reason.
Absolutely.
So this program gives you freedom to
Hmm.
explore the cities, to
Right. You got it. And as you mentioned that a person can earn 850 or maybe 840 euros in a month in on this while
yeah,
being on this program. Do you think it is enough to sustain in France? Is it enough
yeah,
to
yeah,
sustain?
it's enough. If you are able to, yeah, if you are able to manage your expenses, because for me, I have managed it nicely. I can also, I I do transfer some money to my Indian account also. If you are managing your stuff nicely, this amount is not less. Of course, it is not good as if you work in any MNC in India nowadays, because they are giving you 12 lakhs or 15 lakhs, but they will not give you this experience.
Very good.
Nothing comes for free part. But this is also giving you salaries. I think it's enough for one individual to survive, and I expend money like anything. But then also I'm able to manage my expenses. There are assistants who manage their expenses, who save money, and then they travel.
Hmm.
So this program it gives you enough money to survive. But if you are planning to save money from this program, then I think it's a bad choice.
Hmm.
If you are coming here and saving money, not spending money on travel, discovering new things, it's a waste, right?
Got it.
Because we are not continuing this program for rest of our life,
Absolutely. Absolutely. You're
right?
there for a few months, for I think 6, 7 months. So
seven
I
months
think
it starts from October
okay,
and it ends in by the April end.
I got it. I got it. Now, apart from that, can you also mention some of the day-to-day responsibilities as an assistant?
I am working in a primary school, so I generally I take over the class, because this is my way of teaching. I go in the class and I teach the kids. Generally, I have seen there are assistants with whom the teacher is taking the class. They are just assisting them. Now this year I'm working in three schools. Last year I worked in three schools. Not even for once I have given my class to any any teacher. So I always teach to my students, and this is what you have to do. You just have to take classes. Generally, people assistants there are assistants who are working for 3 4 days. So there is preparation that you have to prepare lessons for the students, and then you go and take classes. Apart from that, there is nothing as the responsibility.
I got it. Any advice, any that you want to give to someone who is aspiring to apply for this program?
For this program, people they just focus on the preparation on DELF, IELTS. But what about the work? What about the task for which you are applying? What about teaching? It's the most important thing. You should teach before applying to this program.
Mm,
They should understand. They should know the method. They should know the pedagogy. They should they should know the basics, not just basics. They should have a good command over the phonetics of the language. Because I, as a language assistant, I work in the primary school. I have somewhere around 300, 350 kids, students. It's their starting of learning. I have to give them the correct detailing of the words, language, sound. Because if I don't give them now, later on it takes time to develop.
mm,
They should also, before applying to this program, they should also be aware of the teaching methodologies. They should have good experience of teaching kids, especially kids, because
got it.
teaching a kid and teaching an adult requires different skills and different practices.
That's all for the podcast.